Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today we're going to be taking a look at some fall hairstyle ideas. Here we have someone, she's at the salon. Stylist chops off a big chunk of hair. Doing a bit of shaping here with some bangs. Oh, wow. She gets a nice, beautiful shoulder length bob cut. Very cute. I really like the amount of layers here. Really gave her a nice amount of volume. And then the stylist went back in and added some curls. Oh, this is super cute. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's also getting a bob. A bit of a French girl style bob with this one. It seems to be like bobs with bangs are definitely going to be popular for this fall season. I love the overall shape of that. All right, so here we have someone, wow, she has super long tailbone length hair. And she swishes it up with a shoulder length bob. Next up, we have someone with a pixie. She's got some grown out bleached blonde color. I love the amount of like fullness that her hair has. So the stylist did cut and shape it. She still has that color. Oh, this is cute. And then here we have someone with a bit of a longer pixie cut. So she gets much shorter. I prefer this look on her. This is really cute. It's kind of got like that spiky texture to it. And then we move on over to this pink bob cut. She's got the baby bangs here in the front. Love the red lip paired with it. Here we have a bob haircut. So she's got a bit of an ombre for the color here. This is gorgeous. Looks like the stylist did touch that color up. Beautiful chocolate brown. Oh, I am obsessed with this one. And the bob ends just around the jawline. So cute and chic. So here we have someone. Now she does have some red going here with the color, which of course is going to be very hot for this fall season. We've been seeing red trend for like the past couple of years. Wow, so she is going quite short here. Okay, so this is kind of like a messy. Wow, okay. I don't think I've ever seen a pixie shaped like this before. It definitely had a lot of texture to it. I wish we would have got like a little bit of a longer look. Definitely something unique. Here we have a layered bob haircut style. Now this is one that is going to give you some volume. Very pretty. So here we have someone that looks like she wants to chop off all her hair and get a pixie. Very bold move. She's got the baby bangs going there. Cute little pixie cut. Looks like we have another bob with bangs for the next one. She got more of the bottleneck bang style here. A little bit of wispy texture. Very cute. And the bob for many is definitely a go-to for the fall season. Like, so many women like to cut their hair into the bob. So for the next style, she also has some red going here for the color. Chop chop. Looks like she dyed her hair black or red. Oh, she's getting a pixie. Okay, so this is wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this came out super cute. Look how much volume this pixie has. Absolutely phenomenal. She looks gorgeous. And then we have our last transformation. So she's getting the hair braided. And it looks like she got this red bob. Ended up getting a very cute wig red bob style. Now this is an easy, fun way to shake up your look without actually cutting your hair. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these gorgeous fall hairstyles that you can wear this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.